Trouble you walking tall, you bang your head on things. We're hoping it's something not more sinister, like someone's digging a grave. What are you three up to? What are you three up to? So they'll cover this whole area, will they?
Potentially, yes.
Kongo, what have you just rolled in? Let's just get there. Hold on a sec. Hello, so we're out on a walk today and the dog's having a great time, as you can see. We've got Kongo, the canny Corso, got Louis the Irish setter and my Bixie, the Spaniel, and we just found our first bit of nature. This is Natasha, by the way.
Hi.
And what is this, Natasha?
So this is a cherry tree and it smells absolutely beautiful, and that's one of the first blossoms of the year.
Wow. This is why it's lovely to get out, even if you can't walk very far, just to come out and see. We've literally only been out of the car about 1 minute and you find things like this. You can hear the birds singing, absolutely stunning. I'm gonna have a little smell. Oh wow, yeah. Never ever done that before. I've never done that before. That is absolutely lovely. So not only to look at nature but smell it as well. It's incredible. We've got a tree. Fairly freshly come down. That must have been the last storms, mustn't it? Little trees come down. Oh. Trouble you walking tall, you bang your head on things. So the local people who look after this woodland have put this pathway in, because in the winter it becomes absolutely like a mud pit, and they put this in last week and it's lovely already. So they've just done it straight through the woods. You can walk, you can either walk on the muddy pathways if you want to, but this one in the winter will be the one that most people use, I'd imagine. Very nice of them to do that. So there's certain sights and smells in nature that you really don't want to see, and this is one of them. And yeah, pick up your poo, people, it'd be really helpful. Go.
Look at this, it's almost like a snake going out of the ground and then into the trees.
Oh yeah,
all covered in green.
So is that ivy?
No, it's a moss.
Like
it's moss.
What's the actual trunk bit though?
Not sure. Some spindle off the tree.
Off of the tree, so it's actual trunk.
The tree. Yeah.
Wow, it's almost ancient, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, snowdrops to finish now. So next we've got the bluebells.
Yes. Well, primroses first.
Oh yeah, primroses. I've seen there's some up here actually. I saw them the other day. I didn't know what they were until you told me.
I'm a botanist.
Somebody told me online actually. Thank you for that. Whoever sent me that message. So we've just come across the kids have made a jump. Wow, that's a bit of a jump as well, isn't it?
Yes.
So they come around here on their mountain bikes, and then over here, I'll give you a show of what they might do. So they come along this way, probably from the other side actually, and then they've got to jump over this hole they've dug, and then over there, or even the other way maybe. So they come down the hill over there, over that way, and then hit the ramp and fly and then land. What is it? We're hoping it's something not more sinister, like someone's digging a grave. Just love to go quiet for a minute and listen to the birds, listen to this in the mornings. So we've slowly made our way around this pathway back onto the one that they've put in now. So you can cut right through the woods on this one, which is really nice. And we get to our little favourite pond, which the dogs love to put their feet in. Have a little paddle. Really, look, he loves going straight in. Can't resist it. Kongo's getting told off because he's only just got over being unwell, so we don't want him getting in there really. But he can't resist getting his feet wet.
Okay, and here are first spring roses. Aren't they beautiful? So delicate. And very soon they will turn into seed pods and spread everywhere.
So they'll cover this whole area, will they?
Potentially, yes.
Wow, and they're ancient, aren't they? They generally
ancient.
belong. I watched the video you sent me the other day. They belong to ancient woodlands, so this woodland's obviously been here a long time.
Yes.
For them to be developed here. They're absolutely stunning, aren't they?
They're very good source of nectar for the bees and
Are they?
bumblebees. Yeah.
Oh, we need that, don't we?
We do.
Okay. And then we've got Louis down there in the background. Beautiful. What do you think, Kongo? Kongo, what do you think? Huh? You like it? You like it?
It's lesser celandine.
So what?
Lesser celandine.
Lesser celandine. Is
Yeah,
it
this is
buttercup?
also. Yeah, it's a buttercup family. Well remembered.
Yeah, from growing up.
Yeah.
Used to hold them under your chin.
All right.
And if they opened up, it was that you like butter, I think. That was the old, the British thing. What about, is it the same? Oh, it's a dandelion in there, isn't it?
No, it's the same.
Oh, is it the same?
Yeah, it's the same. So
Amongst
they
the
spread.
nettles.
Yeah, that's the nettles. Nettle soup, by the way. Nettle soup. There's nothing better for spring.
Wow.
Obviously, make sure that you are collecting your nettles where dogs don't pee.
Yeah, and use gloves. I think Bonnie's enjoying the nettles. Oh, bumped into the camera.
For next videos, maybe.
So what's this one?
So this one is called Lords and Ladies.
Lords and Ladies.
Yeah, and sort of closer to the end of the summer.
Yeah, Kongo's just water them. Yeah.
So if they survive Kongo's watering,
Yeah.
closer to the end of the summer, there will be beautiful sort of sticks with beautiful red, orangey berries on them.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh cool. Oh, it's something to look out for when we walk, isn't it? And we've got these bluebells on their way.
Yes.
So in a few weeks' time, these will all be flowering. And I love this tree with all this ivy on. Look at that.
And there's a stinky iris.
So what?
It's an iris.
I thought you said stinky iris.
Yeah, it is a stinky iris.
Is that what they call it?
Yes. I don't know why. I mean, it looks like an iris to
Shadow
me.
on it. Good boy. Like Pride Rock and his Simba. They love it over this bit because they can run up and down the hill. Louis tends to go right over.
Stars driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight.
What you got? What you got? What you got? Good boy. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? He's been adventurous. Oh, he's come up this way. Look, he sneaked round. He sneaked past Kongo.
Hello, you.
Come on, Kongo.
Come back.
Kongo.
Kongo.
He's having a little paddle. Come on in, kid.
Pull his paws.
Come on in, buddy. Mind your head on that branch. Well done.
Good boy.
He's very agile for his size. Yeah. Good boy. It's a scent train. All say hello to each other. Oh, you can't play with dogs that don't like it.
Leave it, Kongo. Leave it.
Good boy. Hiya.
Hello. There was such a dog train. Did you see it? Him going after her.
A long line of sniffing bums. Hello, darling. Hello.
I saw Louis from motorway.
Yeah, I know they did, didn't they? Louis stays out of it though, doesn't he?
Yeah.
As always. Here comes your other one. You're slow today. Hello. Oh yeah.
Sniffing something.
Oh yeah. The old dilemma. Does she have a treat or does she keep her ball? Oh, she's giving the ball. Did you? Would you like one of these ones? One treat. Oh my god. Oh, good boy. Oh, is that nice? Is that nice?
Find it. Find it.
You're getting tired. So we've spotted some more beautiful flowers that are coming out because it's springtime here in the UK. And what are they?
And they are wood anemones. Anemones.
Anemones. I can't even say that.
If you want to have a tongue twister,
Yeah.
you can say
Let me
it.
show you.
Wood anemones.
Wood anemones. There we go.
Windflower.
They're a little bit like the primrose, aren't they?
They are the same family.
Are they?
the
Yeah.
buttercup family.
You can see them.
And look
going
at
right
these
across there.
Beautiful leaves.
Yeah.
And the flowers, they're usually white. And there are cultivated species as well.
Yeah.
They are beautiful, just carpet of white.
Yeah, that's the lovely thing, isn't it? And there's some yellow. Oh, these are the ones we saw earlier again, aren't they?
Sometimes.
Yeah. There we go. Isn't spring lovely? Really good. So as we walked along as well, I've just noticed something else. We've actually got a great stinky Cane Corso. Cool. When he farts in the car, you know about it. Kongo, what have you just rolled in? Mum checking you out. But you don't smell, do you? So you get cuddles instead. Hey, you get cuddles instead. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Go in. Go get it, Louis. Oh, you missed it. See if Bixie can find it. See if you can find it. Go on, use your nose. It's a good game for him, actually. Ready, Louis? Oh. Use your nose. Yes. Good boy. Very clever. See the way his nose suddenly picked up on it? I love that. There's another one over there somewhere. Can you find it?
I'm afraid Bixie got this one.
Did she? Oh, he's got one. Well done. Yay! So that's a fun game to play with dogs. You throw treats into the long grass and then let them use their sense to find it. Especially the gun dogs, they use their noses all the time, so they get so much joy out of doing that. That bumblebee's discovered them. Go on then, off you go. Louis, come on. You being a bully? You're playing. You're playing. Come on then, let's go. Let's go. Come on then. Kongo. Come on then. Come on. Louis, down you go. Yeah, it's quite fresh though. Oops, oh it's slippery. I'm going to get the camera in the water, I'm not going to do that. It's trying to go down. Don't have to get down. Just do it, it's not deep.
Come on, there's easy there.
I know.
Kongo.
Even Bixie's not going in. Going in, Bixie?
Kongo, over there. Look.
He's in. He's done it. He's done it. He's got in. Well done, buddy. Well done, buddy. Where you Bixie? You going in? Wow. Wow, what a clever boy. So what have you found?
Oh, I don't know. Just you know, just a little stick.
Really liked it.
Yeah,
and what's that on the end? It's like a bud or something, or
it's a bud. Yeah, it's
really
a bud.
sticky.
It's really, really, really sticky. I suppose
Like
it's good for.
like a tree penis. Go over there, Bixie. Yes, good girl. Go on. Yeah, clever girl. Coming back. Go on in. Oh, yeah, I didn't know it. Yeah. So there we are, we're at the end of the walk and we've had a lovely time today just mooching around, and Natasha's been showing me all the brilliant wildlife, the flowers and everything, which is really interesting.
Wasn't boring.
No, it's really interesting. It's good to learn stuff like that. It's really good. Kongo's had a lovely time, hasn't he, Kongo? Happy boy. Oh yeah. Bixie's down there. She's in the car. Yeah, he's a big lad, isn't he? Takes up the whole back seat. Oh, you're gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, bless
3 years
her.
old.
Oh,
my
she's
God,
lovely.
She's so beautiful.
Oh, she's beautiful. I love little dogs. Oh, she's lovely, isn't she? And then we got Louis in the boot now. You see him in there? Just about. And that's it, we're done. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, it always helps. And see you on the next one.